I wish this was my hair. Oh my gosh, I would never complain about anything in life if I had this long of hair. All right, so I feel like the whole world is looking for these quick and easy hairstyles. This is from CURLSQUEEN and it is their clip-ins. We're gonna be doing an easy clip-in hairstyle today, so keep watching. Now let me go ahead and show you guys what we are working with. This again is from CURLSQUEEN. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. Let's go ahead and just unbox this right now so you guys can see these curly clip-ins. Oh, yes. Okay, we love a full package. All right, so let's just start unboxing. This is the first thing that you receive in your package. It has like a nice mesh bag. This is a beautiful gold chrome detangling brush. These are some extra clips, as you guys can see. And we have a really beautiful satin line adjustable bonnet. I love the adjustable bonnets because they stay on all night long. I finally learned the trick to keeping your satin bonnets on, and it's definitely purchasing the ones that have this adjustable little strap right here to make it as tight or as loose as you need it to be. They definitely are the way to go, y'all, if you are a wild sleeper like me. What else did we get? Let's take a look-see in this beautiful bag that you can definitely reuse. Here we are with the product, y'all. I want to be super careful with this. All right, let me just start trying to take it out of the net so you guys can actually see. Okay, y'all, so this is the clip-ins. Yes, it's very easy to run my hands through it and there is no shedding from what I can see so far. Okay, so we will play around with this in 1 second. What I actually want to do is prep my hair to look like this, and in order to do that we have to blow out my natural hair, so we're going to do that really quickly right now and then we'll hop back on to my clip-ins, y'all. All right, y'all, so I am back and my hair is prepped and ready to be blow dried straight. So as you guys can see, I separate my hair down into smaller sections. I actually am going to be using the Rev Air to get the job done today, and we're also going to be using a heat protectant. This one is from the Agave and Lavender line from Design Essentials. So how I like to do my blow drying sessions is I just take a small section. I have a towel here. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze out any excess water or leaving. So by just removing some of that excess water, the Rev Air won't have to work as hard. And I am going to go ahead and on each side with a few squirts of my heat protectant. Now this does protect up to 420 degrees, so we are good to go. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my Rev Air. Okay, I actually really like how my hair blew out. I don't know if you guys can see, but it still has some like crankiness in there a little bit. You guys can see the crinkliness, and there's also like a little bit of crinkle in the clip-ins as well. So I really think this is like a really, really good match. So that's what I was going for. Gotta make the hair match, you know what I'm saying? Hey y'all, all right, so I'm back and both sides of my hair are blown out, friends. So we're finally ready to get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with taking this out. The first thing I'm going to do is cut this little tag. And we are going to start separating these parts out. So they are protected right here with two little straps. I think we have to cut these. I'm reading it, not near direction, friend. Taking these out. So this is a CURLSQUEEN Coarse Kinky Blowout Clip-In Extension Set. One bundle is more than enough to cover your entire head. This is a 10-piece set of premium Brazilian virgin hair. This hair can be washed, conditioned, cut, twisted, bleached, dyed, straightened, and more. If you want more information about this hair or any other clip-ins, just check out the details in the description below. So you guys tell me what you think, if it's like a good match. I think it looks pretty close. I don't know. I think the texture is a little bit different, but once you blend it all in together, I don't think you'll be able to tell. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do to put these in, because we're definitely going to do a middle part. Let's clean that up first. So what I'm going to do, so I'm not working with so much hair as once, is just part the front rows or the front sections up and out the way. This way we could just focus directly on the back, and I think that will just make things a lot easier. Alright, so here is my back section. Let's go ahead and put our first one in. I don't think it'll be that hard to put a clip in. You just clip it in, friend, but we're about to find out. I'm not really worried about my parting because, again, it's not going to show at the end of the day, and I think it honestly will be easier to use my hands. Yeah, let me use my hands because I could feel if the part is straight when I use my hand. Are you guys like that too? Do you guys like your hand or using a comb? Alright, so this one feels really good. Let's go ahead and put it in. Starting with on the side, I'm just going to clamp it down and then kind of secure it shut to my scalp. Alright, y'all. So you guys got to tell me. Can y'all see? Okay, Lynn. Come through down to the butt. I like that, and it definitely feels really, really, really secure. So let's go ahead and take out the next one. I don't know how many we'll need. Okay, now I need to find the next one that's going to work in my hair. I feel like I should like brush it together a little bit or something. Let me make it blend. I like that I can brush it and it's like very secure. So I'm gonna brush it as I go because at the end I just know it's gonna be like a lot to brush. So I'm gonna just brush as I go. So let me find my next one. I'm just gonna measure to see if this will fit. I just take the ends and I wrap it around my head. And that feels pretty good and secure, so we're going to use this one. I'm just going to make sure all of the clips are open, and then I'm going to go ahead and close them onto my scalp, and we'll be good to go. Okay, we got some hair. We got some hair, y'all. My hair is going to be so full by the time I am done with this, y'all. Like full. Holy cow, it goes all the way down. I tried to scoot back as far as possible. Okay, so this is actually as easy as I thought it would be, which is cool. Clip-ins are like a really nice beginner-friendly hairstyle. So I'm just going up, working in sections, kind of parting it out and feeling where's my next section need to be at. Next one, let's see how we are feeling. We need like a pretty long one because we're like going towards the middle now. Yep, I feel like that is perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop all of them up. I don't think I've been brushing them, but I brush it once it's in my hair. I think my favorite part is brushing the hair because it's just so easy to brush and there's not a lot of shed fall, if any. Like, this is good quality hair. Alright, so I'm just grabbing the ends or pushing it around my head, and then I start with one side, pushing it down and like popping it closed. Alright, we are thick. We thick. Oh my goodness, with my hair in this hair, it's a wrap. A wrap-a-dap-a-dap. Alright, so here's how we're looking in the back section. Holy cow, I don't think I've ever had this much hair in my life. This is a lot of hair. I would braid this up some type of way. But it's smooth and it's blending, which I like. That is a lot of hair. We're not done. We still gotta do the sides. Alright, let me figure out how we're gonna do the sides. I'm definitely not adding a lot. Let's start with this small guy and give it a nice brush. Look how it just goes in so perfectly. Oh my goodness. Brushing it is my favorite part of this whole video. So all you have to do is just pop it out. Pop that out. Pop that out. You can see they are popped out. You'll feel it, and then you just put it in where you need to. Push it down. Push it down. Oh yes. Wow, it actually looks really good. You can see the clip-in, but you won't be able to see it once I put my hair on top. Wow, that is a nice clip-in. Okay, clip-in. Y'all see that? I'm probably gonna do like one more because I don't want my hair to be that thick. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think this will be good right here. Alright, so again, we're just going to pop that out like that. Now that they're popped out, you are going to place that one, and I like to place it, the first one, in close to my edge and pop it down, then I work my way back. Looks really good. You can see, but like you really can't see it. Like if I'm back here, you really like can't see it. That is crazy. It's a lot of hair. I think that's the last one, because baby, I had to figure out a way to blend the top though. I might have to do, I'm not trying to do one more. It's okay. It's okay. This is so much hair, y'all. This don't make no sense. Let me do this other side, honey. It blends. If I ain't never have nothing blend in my life, this gonna blend today. We're doing really good. Like, it's a lot of hair, y'all. I don't know if you can see, but we're still not done. We still got one more section left. I'm only gonna put 2 more clip-ins in this section because it's a lot of hair, which is good. They give you a lot of hair. I'm not even using all of it. I'm gonna show you guys what's left over. Here's the next one. I'm just gonna brush it out, and we are going to take it. There's only 2 little clips on here, so I'm going to pop them out. Here you go. And then we're going to put it in. I always like to start with the front just so I know how much far back I should be. And here is the very last one. Another nice brush. Child, this is a lot of hair and I love it. This would be perfect for photo shoots if you're going out somewhere nice, if you just want to hang out with the girls, if you need a quick hairstyle. Clip-ins are definitely the way to go. They're a very diverse hairstyle that you can do, and then the different amount of hairstyles that you can do with the clip-ins is like crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to stand up and show you guys how much hair this is, y'all. That is wild. Okay, hair wear, baby. Oh my gosh, and it looks like mine. That's like the crazy part. They go like, what's your hair, girl? Girl, no, these some clip-ins by Curls Queen, period. Okay. Looks really good, y'all. It looks really good. It's very well blended, and like you can curl it. You can do all different types of stuff. I gotta like back up so y'all can see the full length. It's crazy. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of hair. And like, I like the top. I like how I have it like you can't see, not near a clip, because of how I styled it. Everything's kind of covered underneath. I think that it blends really well. You can't tell where my hair is and where the actual clip-in hair is. You can do different styles if you want to straighten it, if you want to curl it, if you want to do like a heatless rod or roller set, you can do that too. I like that you can run your fingers right through it. Yeah, when people compliment me and say I have a lot of hair, I feel like this is a lot of hair. Like, I don't feel like I have a lot of hair compared to like this. I wish this was my hair. Oh my gosh, I would never complain about anything in life if I had this long of hair. If my hair was like this, I'd probably go down and be a Rastafarian, man. I'd twist this joint up in some locks, okay? Rasta pasta. I would love to see it like some up, some down. You would just have to like really play in it and make it look nice, give it some layers. Now let me show you guys what is left over, because there are some pieces left over. I have exactly 2 pieces. I'm just looking everywhere to make sure I didn't drop anything. I have 2 clip-ins left over, 2 tracks left over. There are 3 little clip-ins on this one, and there are 4 clip-ins on this one. So these are the 2 that I have left over. Surprised, like, where would I put this in the hair? Where would I put this? Like, this don't make no sense how much hair this is. Oh my goodness. So yeah, you could definitely do a lot with these clip-ins as far as like styling goes. And yeah, you can't see anything. You can't. The tracks are definitely in there, but you really can't. You can't see nothing, y'all. This is cute. I like this style. It's just a lot of hair. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all. So you guys have seen it from start to finish how I use the CURLSQUEEN's clip-ins. I would highly, highly recommend this hair right here. And if you guys want it, I have all the information on the screen, all the information in the description about this hair specifically. If you guys want it or want to take a look at some of their other hair that they have on their website, I'll have that in the description as well. If you do like this hairstyle, then I know you will love this hairstyle next. So go ahead and click on this video to keep watching some natural hair care content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. My name is Aaliyah. This is as always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.